Hey guys, if you like what you've seen, keep watching this video till the end and I'm gonna teach you exactly how I did it. Alright, in this video you're gonna learn how to get unlimited coins in Royal Match. And this works both in iOS and Android devices, but if you are in an iOS device, to get this extension that gives you all the free coins, there is a couple of settings that you need to change on your phone just to prepare it for the injection. And if you are on Android, then you can skip to the part where I open the browser and show you where and how to get everything, because for Android users there is no settings that they need to change. So for iOS, the first thing that you need to do is that you need to make sure that your orientation is locked just like this. Once you've locked orientation, secondly, you need to actually go on and open your settings button over here, and let me show you what you need to change there. So once you are on your settings, you need to go and find the general settings tab. And then again, once you are on general, go and find background app refresh and make sure that background app refresh is turned on. For me, it's on already, as you can see here, but if it's off for you, if it says background app refresh off like this, then you need to simply tap on it, and then you need to tap on Wi-Fi mobile data to turn it on. Once you're done with both these settings, then you need to close everything down. Let me show you what you need to do next. So close everything down, and then you need to simply open your browser and go to this website that I'm going to show you right now. And if you are on Android, you should start following this tutorial as well, because the steps from now until the end are very similar on both phones. And once you're here, the next step is that you need to start looking for Royal Match. And the best option is by using the search bar at the top. So if you go to the search bar over here and start typing Royal Match, let me show you. Then it's gonna show up just like this. So it's gonna say Royal Match mod, and this is the extension that gives you all the coins on your phone. So you need to simply tap on it. Let me show you. You need to tap on Royal Match, and then once you're done with that, you need to tap on the download now button, and it's gonna start downloading and installing this extension that gives you all the free coins. Now for the injection of this extension, which is gonna give you the coins, firstly, there is a couple of settings that you need to there is a couple of steps that you need to complete. And once you complete these extra steps, only then you'll be able to get everything added on your Royal Match game. Once I'm done with this second app, I'm gonna go back to my Royal Match and we're gonna see together if anything is gonna happen with this account. So let me just open the game right now. And here we are, I'm in the game already. Now let's just wait until it fully loads, and here it is. As you can see, now I'm getting all the coins added on my game. And guys, thanks for watching this video, and don't hesitate to go and try it yourself to get everything added on your Royal Match game. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also share this video with your friends if you want to watch more tutorials like this for different games.